Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Let me just open the door here. Looks like we had some rain last night, but oh shoot, I did not mean we're not having a grill now. How can I close these doors? Can I not close these doors? Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, now I'm locked out of my house. That's fine, but I'll just go through my room there. Alright, sorry about that. I had coffee and maybe check my phone. There we go. Yes. Alright, let me just check my iPad. Oh, it's gotta load. Okay, if I go to weather, let's see today. We do have a really cloudy day today, and next month we have soybean harvest, and that does not look good because look at October, it's raining most of the time. Then November we're gonna have good, but yeah. Anyways, we gotta get on the farm. This series is Westbridge Hills, so it's like a single player series, but we gotta head to the airport actually because I want to go check out my helicopter I haven't flown in a while, and I got my pilot's license, so I should be. It's not that far away actually. They did some things to the airport. They did some stuff there like a runway. If you are flying a helicopter, I recommend you take the runway to land. Oh, looks like we have to make a turn here. I'll go this way. Take our drive through the country here. And yeah, Westbridge Hills is actually a really nice American map. And we have some bigger equipment. Oh shoot, I might have taken the wrong turn. That's fine, I can just swing around here. I also want to get rid of these fields here. So, yeah. But we're rolling. Oh, we're flying actually. Shoot. Oh god. Alright, here's where we go. Yep, and it should be, yeah, right here is the helicopter. This is the airport. And you gotta be careful. You can't park right in front of that shed because that's where helicopters take off. So, we gotta quickly go. There's two there. But I'm just gonna park right here. And they actually put two helicopters. Wonders whose this is. This is oh, this one's a K-26 like mine. KA-26. Mine's also a KA-26 right here. So yeah, this is the old KA-26, and we're gonna take her for a spin. First, we gotta get her, make sure fuel is good. Let me see real quick. Alright, fuel is alright. We don't need a refill. We won't be out that long. Hold on, make sure, just checking something in my settings. Make sure it's on so it's realistic. No, it's not that good settings. Yeah, okay. Alright, but let's start. Buttons, yeah. Let's put it in gear. Alright, and we should be good to take off. Now we just fly out. Alright, ready, set, go. Oh, sheesh. And we're in there. That's our farm here. Let's make a good flyby. Woo! God, God, God. Oh, God. Okay, I should be a little bit more safer. That would have been bad. I almost crashed in my barn. But this is our field of soybeans over here. We have actually two up here. And yeah. This thing is quite a good helicopter. This thing's got a light as well. It's got like a spotlight. Let me make sure that. And we're flying here. There's an old barn there. We should maybe go explore that another time. See if there's anything in there. Should we land at the baseball field here? No, there's no game playing today. I think there's just a team practicing like a little league. Oh, look at the town here. Should we give him a shower by just... Okay, look at that. There's the dealer. They got a John Deerson, but they got Case as well. There's a movie theater right here. You just sit in your car. It's like one of those drive-in movie theaters. And I don't know what this is. A dairy, pretty sure. And is this warehouse? Oh, it's probably logging. Yeah, it's logging. Miller's. This is a fun little thing. You can go like yeah, you can go quite fast. Like it's got a sprayer on it, so it's like easy. And if I get like Jim running the other one, oh, there's the train. We see the train. Let's follow the train. There goes the train. Woo! We're running a little bit low here. Yep, got it. Yep. Yeah, we already, that's the radio there. We have, comms, so communications. Alright. This field here. It's pretty good. Oh, she's empty on, liquid fertilizer. Turn, there we go, and here we go. Okay, I could land like in a field or like at my farm, but I cannot land like on the road there. So only road really I'm allowed to land on is the runway. And the runway people actually drive on. It's crazy. And there's just stuff on it. Alright, I gotta turn on communications comms right now because we are actually gonna land soon, so we're just gonna do that. Yep, nope. Yeah, there is a helicopter that just took off, so we're actually gonna land this thing. We're going in, landing at the airport. It is 7:46, so should try to land by 7:50, and we're coming in now, so. Yep. And watch that building, and I'm gonna land in the field actually. Oh my god. Whoo, this thing is sketchy. Alright, let's try to land right here. Oh, that was a close one. I'm gonna get a real... really pain in the butt is I had to land there. Okay, well, we gotta shut her off. Oh my god, they're gonna be pretty mad. Anyway, I wanna talk to comms real quick. Hold on. Ah, I have to go see them in the office. Great. So, yes, I'm gonna go see it in the them in the office. The office is right over here, and I'll tell you what happened because I'm not allowed to show you guys. So, yep, and alright guys, we just got back from that. It was, oh my god, really annoying. You don't understand. They told me that I gotta land on the runway next time. And I told them that there was literally someone driving on the runway. You guys said it was clear. They said if you, can't land on the runway the correct way, they'll take my pilot's license away. Look, there's people literally driving. And someone lives here, like, it's not their fault that they have to drive anyways. But it's also my fault because they said it was my fault because, you know, I had to land the plane, not the plane, the helicopter. It's stupid, but yeah, our soybeans are looking pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys enjoyed this one, make sure maybe consider hitting that like button. If you don't like it, you don't have to like it. But if you guys want like my content I post, maybe hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss a video. So yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video.